How to resize buttons on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to resize buttons into your Squarespace website. So we are going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and you're going to see that we are going to have this, as you can see, dashboard. We're going to visit the account. Now select the website, and after that we are going to see the website. Now, we can go ahead and do this process only manually. That means that we're going to select the buttons that we want to resize and resize them. But if you want to do the total buttons, it is not going to be something, let's say here, doing that we can set up without a code. So you can go ahead and put or implement a code to resize all the buttons. I'm going to show you here an example. So if I go ahead here to the website, click on pages, select the page, click on edit, I can see that we have buttons. So this button, as you can see, maybe I'm not going to set up this button because it is going to be a related button to a product, but let's say that we are going to add a block. So let's add a button, and you can see that this is a button. So we can go ahead and make it smaller like that, bigger like that, or let's say thinner like this, or whatever. And this is going to be how to resize the buttons. We are going to have the as you can see, the 4, 6, the 8 corners, or the 8 press points, as you can see, that we can control our button from. So we have the height, the width, and also the diagonal, as you can see, measurement. You can select the type of the button, and you're going to modify it if you want. Now, if I click on the site styles and click on buttons right there and click on customize, I can go ahead and head over here and see that we have the primary buttons, or select another type of buttons like this one. This is going to be a button like this. So I can go ahead and modify the button. I can have only the paddings, the outline, the shape, and etc. For the shape, I can go ahead and modify the corners, and also, as you can see, the degrees and the shape of them. For example, fill or no fill. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.